Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve exercise 3B basic level question number 2, which says factorize each of the following expressions completely. Now you have to factorize the expression completely. The first question says 3n square plus 10n plus 7. So again the same strategy, first number and last number we are going to multiply and it will become 3 times 7 is 21n square. Now we are going to see 21 comes in which times table, so that we can add and subtract to make the middle number. Okay, 7 times 3 is 21 and 3 and 7 when we will add 7 and 3 it will make 10. So we get the answer very easily. We have break the middle term, 3n square plus 7n plus 3n plus 7. Okay, again we are going to take the common, 3n square plus 7n, we have only n common. Here 3, 1n is left, plus 7. Here I have no common, I will write plus 1, 3n plus 7. Both the brackets are same, so 3n plus 7 will be the first one and n plus 1 will be the second bracket. So the answer is 3n plus 7 bracket and n plus 1. Question number A solved. Question number 2 part A solved. Now we're moving to part B, and part B says 4p square plus 8p plus 3. Okay, again first and last term multiply, 4 times 3 is 12 p square. Okay, 12 comes in 2 times table, 2 times 6 is 12. Okay, and 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, we get the answer because when we are going to add 2 and 6 we will get 8. So we ultimately got the answer in the first multiplication. Okay, 4p square plus 2p plus 6p plus 3. We are going to take common. 2 and 4 comes in the one table, that is 2, and p square and p, only p will be the common. Here in 2 times table 4 comes 2 times, p square, so 1p will be inside, plus 2p is already outside, so 1 will come over here. Here the common will be 3, 2p plus 1. Both the brackets are same. 2p plus 1, 2p plus 3. So the answer is solved. Now we are going to do, the question is solved. Now we are going to move to part C of question number 2, which says 6q square minus 17q plus 12. A little bit bigger number. Okay, first and last will be multiplied. 12 multiplied by 6 is 72q square. Okay, 72 comes in. Okay, we are going to start with a bigger number because we have to make 17. So can we take 8? Because 8 times 9 is 72, and when we are going to add 8 and 9, it will make 72. It will make 17 because 18 and 16 plus 1, 17. Okay, 6q square, the sign of minus will be with the bigger number, that is 9q minus 8q, because minus minus plus, 9 plus 8 17, and 9 times 8 is 72, plus 12. Again we are going to take out the common. Okay, in 6 and 9 the common will be 3q. Okay, so 2q minus 3. Okay, minus 8 will be common. 8 what will be the common? The common will be 8 and 12 comes in 4 times table. 2q. Again, if I will write minus, then it will become plus. Minus minus plus. 4 times 3 is 12. See, the brackets are same. It means our answer is correct. 2q minus 3. Both the brackets are same. We will write it one time. Then 3q minus 4. So the answer is 2q minus 3 and 3q minus 4. Okay. Now, question number 2, part D. Part D says 4r square minus 7r plus 3. Again, multiply first and last. We will get 12r square. Okay, 12 comes in which times table? Okay. 6 times 2 times 6 is 12. Okay. 4 times 3 is 12. Which two numbers will be added to make 7? 4 and 3 will make 7, so we can take this number, these numbers. Okay, 4r square minus 4r minus 3r, because minus minus plus, 4 plus 3 7, and 4 multiplied by 3 is 12r square plus 3. Again, the same strategy, we are going to take out the common. The common will be 4, r square and r, least power r will be common. Here 1 r is left, minus 1, minus 3 will be common. R is here, again minus, because minus minus plus. 3 times 3 is, in 3 times table 3 comes one time. Okay, brackets are same, it means answer is correct. R minus 1 one time, 4r minus 3. Okay. Now, moving to part E of question number 2. Part E says 8s square plus 2s minus 15. Okay, part E says at 8s square plus 2s minus 15. Again, the same strategy. 15 will be multiplied with 8. So, we will get 15 multiplied by 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 4, that is 12. We got 120. Now, we have to make 120, and when I will add and subtract the two numbers, I will get 2. 120 comes in 12 times table. 12 multiplied by 10 is 120, and if I will minus 12 and 10, I will get 2. See, simply it solves. The higher the numbers, the lower the answer. See, okay, 8x square plus 12s minus 10s. Okay, now plus sign will be with the greater number, and smaller sign will, minus sign will be with the smaller number. Plus minus minus, 12 minus 10, 2, sign of the greater number, plus minus 15. Okay, again the common strategy. What, 8 and 12 comes in 4 times table. Okay, and s will be common. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8s plus, in 4 times table 12 comes 3 times. Okay, minus, common will be 10 and 15 comes in 5 times table. 2s minus my, okay, if I will write plus, minus plus minus. Okay, in 5 times table 15 comes 3 times. See, the brackets are same, it means the answer is same. Correct. 2s plus 3, I will write it one time. 4s minus 5. So the answer is 2s plus 3 and 4s minus 5. Now moving to part F. Okay, so question number 2, part F says 6x square plus 19t minus 20. Again the same strategy. First and last term I will multiply. Okay, 20 multiplied by 6x square. 20 multiplied by 6 is 120x square. Now we have to take out 120. For 120, in which table 120 comes? Okay, in 2 times table it comes to 60 times 120. So we are, if you are going to plus minus, it will not come 19. Okay, 3 In 3 times table, 3 4 is 12, 40. 40 times 3 is 120. If you will add and subtract, 19 will not come. Okay, 4 times table, in 4 times table, 120. Okay, in 4 times table, 30 times is 120. Again, if we are going to add and subtract, 19 will not come. Okay, in 5 times table, 120 comes 24 times 120. So if I will minus 24 by 5, can I get 120? Yes, I can get 120. Okay, so 6x square plus 24t minus 5t, the sign of the greater number will come with the greater number. Okay, this sign will come with the greater number. Again, now we are going to take out the common. 6 and 24, the common will be 6. Okay, we have t over here. Oh. Okay, so 6t will be common. What will remain inside t? Plus, in 6 times table, 24 comes 4 times. Okay, minus 5 will be common. T, again if I will write minus, then it will become plus, so I will write plus, minus plus minus. Okay, see the brackets are same. T plus 4, 6t minus 5. Okay, now come to part G of question number 2. Part G says 4u square minus 8u minus 21. Okay, again what we are going to do is, we are going to take first and last term, we are going to multiply. 21 multiply by 4. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. We want 84. We want 84. Okay, now again we are going to see the 84 comes in which tables. Okay, 84. Okay, so we are going to take the two numbers that will be in 6 times table. 84 comes 14 times, and if I will minus 14 by 6, I will get 8. 4u square minus 14u plus 6u minus 21. Minus plus minus, 14 minus 6 is 8, and 14 multiplied by 6 is 84. Okay, again common. What will be the common? 2u will be the common. 2u minus 7 plus 6 will be the common. 6 will not. 3 will be the common, because 6 and 21 comes in 3 times table. Okay, minus 7. See the brackets are same. 2u minus 7 and 2u plus 3. Okay. Now the last sum, that is H of question number 2. H says 18w square minus w minus 39. So we have a big number. Okay, I will multiply first with last. 39 multiply with 18. So what I will get, 8 times 9 is 72. Okay, 8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 7, 31. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 3 is 3. 2. 9 plus 1, 10. 6 and 7. So we get 702. A very big number. 702. It's a very big number. So what we are going to do is, we are going to take out the LCM of 702. Okay, starting with 2, because the number is even. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 I have given 5, 1. Okay. Now odd number, it will go in 3 times table. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 I have given 7. Again 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 2, 39. Again 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Okay. 13 is a prime number, so 13 times 1 is 13. Now what we are going to do is we are going to make the pairs and see which two numbers will be multiplied to make it 702. Okay, and if I will add and subtract, so I just want a 1, I just want a 1. Okay, let us see how we can solve it. Okay, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. Okay, and 13 and 2 will make 26. So 27 multiplied with 26 will make 702, and 27 minus 26 will make 1. See, we get the answer 27 and 26. Okay, 18w square minus 27w plus 26w minus 39. Minus plus minus, sign out the greater number minus. 27 minus 26 is 1, and if I multiply 27 by 26, I will get 702. Okay, again the common 18 and 27 comes in one table, that is 9. 9w will be the common. 2w minus 3 plus, okay, 26 and 39, they will come in again one time table. Which table they are going to come? Okay, 13. Okay, 13 times 2 is 26, and 13 times 3 is 39. See, we get the bracket same, so the answer is 2w minus 3, 9w plus 13. Here our question number 2 is also finished, that is of the basic level, exercise 3b. Now we will be moving to intermediate level. Before moving to the intermediate level, if you have any question regarding this exercise, please message me on my email address, and I will be replying you very soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz.